Welcome to Auto Insider. Today we're diving into the world of luxury motorhomes with a spotlight on the 2025 Nexus Bentley Diamond Series. Despite its name, this motorhome isn't affiliated with the renowned British car manufacturer, but it certainly embodies a level of luxury and craftsmanship that would make any Bentley enthusiasts take notice. The Nexus Bentley Diamond Series is a 40-foot Class A motor coach built on a high-strength, low-alloy steel frame, enhancing both safety and drivability. Under the hood, it boasts a robust 400-horsepower Cummins diesel engine paired with a 100-gallon fuel tank, offering substantial range for those long road trips. Additionally, with a 1,000 towing capacity, bringing along additional vehicles or trailers is a breeze. Stepping inside, the Bentley Diamond Series offers a selection between a tri-fold sofa or dual recliners, complemented by a deluxe dinette booth. Entertainment is top-notch, with a 50-inch power-lifted LED TV. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring solid hardwood cabinets, a tile backsplash, an LG 3-door refrigerator, a 2-burner smooth induction cooktop, a large convection oven, a water filtration system, and a residential-style faucet with sprayer. These amenities ensure that meal preparation on the road is both convenient and enjoyable. The floor plan is thoughtfully designed for comfort and functionality. Beyond the kitchen, there's a couch with a bunk bed above, situated across from a bathroom equipped with a shower. The master bedroom doesn't disappoint, offering an innerspring king mattress and a 32-inch LED TV. Notably, a second full bath is located off the master bedroom, adding a layer of convenience that's rare in many motorhomes. On the outside, the Bentley Diamond Series is equipped with an electric patio awning adorned with LED lights, creating a perfect ambiance for evening relaxation. An outdoor shower adds practicality, especially after adventurous excursions, and an entry door awning provides additional shade and protection. Driving the Bentley Diamond Series is a pleasure thanks to its high-strength steel construction, which not only enhances safety but also improves drivability. The powerful Cummins diesel engine ensures that this motorhome can handle various terrains with ease, while the substantial fuel capacity minimizes the need for frequent refueling stops, allowing for uninterrupted journeys. One of the standout features of the Bentley Diamond Series is its combination of luxury and practicality. The availability of a second full bathroom is a rare find in motorhomes of this class, making it particularly appealing for families or groups traveling together. The high-quality materials used throughout the interior, from the hardwood cabinets to the residential-style kitchen appliances, set it apart from competitors. As of now, the Nexus Bentley Diamond Series is priced at approximately $313,000. While this places it in the higher-end bracket of motorhomes, the array of features, build quality, and luxury amenities offer substantial value for those seeking a top-tier mobile living experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Nexus Bentley Diamond Series stands as a testament to what modern motorhome design can achieve, blending luxury, functionality, and performance into a cohesive package. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to the RV lifestyle, this motorhome promises to deliver an unparalleled experience on the road. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the 2025 Nexus Bentley Diamond Series. Stay tuned to Auto Insider for more in-depth reviews and the latest insights into the automotive world. Up next, we'll be exploring the features of the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur, a 4-door supercar that redefines luxury and performance.